I guess we're live. All right, I've got Tundra here with me, and we're going to go for a little walk around the farm. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know how this works at all, but we're going to give it a go. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'd be happy to answer them. And yeah, that's about it. So let me see. Oh, there we go. Turn the camera around. Perfect. So here's Tundra. She's ready to go. And I'm just going to let her off the leash here. Now, normally we don't let the dogs off the leash when we go for a walk, but Tundra is an old pro, so we're going to do that. We're just going to follow her around. There we go. So, this is one of the areas where we take our dogs that stay at the kennel for a walk. We've been working really hard lately to get the area cleaned up, so you might see piles of dead wood like that lying around. And it's better to film that way. Yeah, we'll film this way. Yeah, and I hope the wind also isn't too bad. It's a little breezy out here today, so hopefully that doesn't affect the audio too much. But yeah, there we go. So like I said, the piles of dead wood, we've been doing a lot of clean up work, so we're trying to make this area a little bit more beautified, so to speak. So when we do go on walks, it's a little bit more enjoyable. Of course, Tundra is hiding back there. There we go. She blends in really well. Her coat is a really good camouflage for this type of environment. Hey, sweetheart. All right, let's keep moving. There we go. So the thing says it's live in the top corner there. Like I said, I'm not very tech savvy, so I don't know if you can hear or if I'm even recording. So it's a new experience for me, but let's hope it does something. There's Tundra again. There we go. So this is just one part of the area where we take the dogs for the walks. They really do seem to enjoy it. You know, there are lots of little places for them to sniff and to walk around, and you know that's all about all part about being what a dog is all about. Tundra, like I said, she's an old pro, so she's back and forth up and down the trails. Loves to sniff, you know. I think it's really important for dogs to engage all of their senses, and the smell is really important because it helps them to build up a lot of the it uses a lot of energy just for them to sniff, so it's better if they can sniff and while they go for a walk. And I do apologize if the camera is shaky or if it's windy. I'm looking forward to the feedback so that if these turn out to be something that you enjoy, I can get better at doing. But right now, like I said, first one, let's see how she goes. And you can see the kennel there behind the trees, the back view of it. Tundra sniffing again. Sometimes what we like to do is we play find it. So what we do is we have liver treats like that, and we'll just toss it in the ground and tell them to find it. Tundra, girl, hey, what's in here? Hey, anything good? Good girl. So it's kind of like a natural snuffle mat, so to speak. You know, they've got to root around in the leaves to find their little treats and cookies. It's really good for their brain. Tundra, what's this one? Ready? We'll find it. Good girl. Good girl. There we go. Excellent. All right, so we're just going to continue our walk down here. There we go. So like I said, there's the back of the kennel. You can see the play yards that we've got. I don't know if you can make it out in the video or not, but the chain link area there is what we do for in-house pups who want to get out and use the grass either for bathroom breaks or just some playtime. And Tundra will lead us down this trail. So there's multiple trails that we have in the trees here. Tundra, like I said, she's an old pro, so she knows where she wants to go. There we go. And she's found something. There we go. But we keep on moving here. All right, so yeah, this area used to be an old sheep pen that we had growing up. So we used to raise sheep, and you can kind of see right in the center there, that used to be an old sheep feeder, so we could feed them bales and stuff like that. And then we'll turn around slowly to not get you sick. That building there was where we would put them to bed. So yeah, just part of the farm's history, I guess, a little bit here. There we go. All right, so now we're about to head out of the first forested area, and we're going to make our way back to our back trees, which, if I don't know if you saw the post yesterday of Tundra and I out in the pine trees, that's where we're going to be headed now. But yeah, like I said, the dogs love it out here. It's, you know, it's natural environment for them. They get a chance to be dogs, which is really important. There we go. All right, so we're going to make our way down. I don't know if you can see way back there the pine trees, but that's where we're headed now. So we'll try to walk as quick as we can, just because there's not too much going on in this stretch of the area. But yeah, I don't know. I just think it's beautiful out here. The scenery is great, you know, and yeah, I really enjoy it. Let's see there. Okay. Alright. Well, like I said, Tundra's an old pro. She knows where we're going. And she really enjoys the walks. But I mean, what dog doesn't, right? Absolutely. Okay. Alright, so I do apologize. I'm learning this system as we go. And if it's shaky or too windy or you can't see, I do apologize. But like I say, feel free to leave some feedback and comments, and hopefully I make it a better experience as we keep moving forward. I'm not very tech savvy at the best of times, so this is really new for me. So that's Tundra. Let's see, maybe we'll turn the camera out of view. Ah, there we go. Behind me. It is getting a little bit windier out here, so hopefully that's not too annoying for you. If it is, just let me know and I can try to cover up the mic a little bit better. Yeah. Hopefully you're enjoying it, like I say. But yeah, I mean, we're wide open spaces out here. You can see the fields there behind me. There we go, the trees, that's where we're headed. Absolutely. All right, so let's go back to there we go, she's way ahead. She gets a little she's a little impatient. You know, for almost 12 years old, she's pretty impatient. So these trees here actually started, this all used to be a bare field, but then my dad one day decided to start a tree farm, and yeah, that's what we are left with here. So it never materialized to anything, which is fine. I don't mind it. We've got our own growing forest, which is great, especially when you're on the prairies like this. It's nice to you know, have some of that windbreak for sure. I do apologize if it's let's see. Oh, Joanne says I'm sideways. Does it show up sideways on your monitor if I film like this? Is that proper on your monitors? Just feel free to let me know, and yeah, I appreciate the feedback for sure. But thanks, Joanne. There we go. So there's Tundra. So yeah, like I said, it used to be, well, it still is a family farm. My grandparents bought it in 1960, and I raised here, lived here my whole life, and we're going to come up to some old farm equipment that I've kind of kept off to the side. Yeah, it's kind of neat looking stuff. But oh, Joanne says it's righted itself, so that's good. I'll film. There we go. Thanks, Joanne. How is the recording? Is my voice clear and candid? Hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully it's not getting too much by the mic on my phone. This is, like I said, the old farm equipment that Grandpa used to use. Not a really big operation here. We have 20 acres, so you couldn't really grow, you know, too much to sustain a family, but it was more of a hobby for him for sure. What I'd like to do is use this for landscaping. I think that would look really pretty around the property here. Tundra, our leader, she knows where she's going. She's on a mission. Around the corner, and these trees, their species is large, and they're coniferous trees, but they lose their needles in the winter. So about 2 weeks ago, this whole row was just a beautiful bright yellow, really quite nice, but they look a little dead in the winter time. But I think they're really pretty. I like them. There we go. Yeah, I want to thank you for tuning in to our first broadcast here. Like I said, I'm not really tech savvy, but I don't know, it's a neat way to interact with everybody and just kind of give them a little bit of a show as to what happens to the dogs that we take for walks. And just so you get a chance to see, you know, that we're kind of out in nature and they get a chance to explore and run and be free. There we go. So we have a little cabin back here. We don't use it for the dogs, unfortunately. I think some of them really like that, but it's just a nice little getaway for everybody, the family, I suppose. And yeah, a nice little area back here. Like I said, it's just nice for the dogs to get out of their, you know, their day-to-day environment and experience a bit of nature, which is great. I don't know if you can see it there, but that's far back the kennel. So we're as far back on the property as we can go here now. Tundra skulking through the trees is one of our favorite things to do. The pine trees here have kind of created their own little ecosystem. Sorry. So all sorts of things living in there, and she just loves to run and smell and do things that dogs should do. So yeah, I want to thank everybody for tuning in. I don't really have much of a plan. I just wanted to show everybody a little bit of where we take the, you know, the guests when they stay with us for outside time for walks. Typically what we'll do, depending on the speed of the walk, I don't know what time we're at now, probably 15 minutes, but we can either pace it so it goes a little bit slower, so we can do, you know, 2 loops at half an hour, or even 1 loop we can make it take an hour. Let's see if I can get back. There we go. And yeah, so we do get them out for an hour for when they do their walks. And like I say, it helps break up their day. Really important. I know my girls, they absolutely love it. And yeah, I just wanted to show everybody where they get away. I mean, it's just beautiful behind me there. I just love it here. The smell is fantastic. You get that nice piney scent, you know. The dogs, they absolutely love it. And we do a lot of brain games too with them here. So earlier I did a little quick find it session with Tundra, where you just throw some treats on the ground, you tell her to find it, and she's got to use her nose to find the treats. It's pretty straightforward. But yeah, she really enjoys it, and we get to get all the pups out, a chance to go for a walk for sure. So maybe what I'll do is another quick find it session with Tundra. Let me change. There's a Tundra. Okay, Tundra. Tundra. She's already pretty engaged with whatever that is. Tundra, what's this? There we go. Ready? Good girl. Oh, what's that? There we go. Good. Tundra. What's this? Want some more? Find it. Good girl. Tundra, find it. Good girl. What's in here? Go find it. Good girl. Tundra. She definitely has a mind of her own, and something must be a little bit more enticing than the liver treats that I've got for her, but that's okay. She's always been a really independent, let's see here, there, oh, switch back, there we go. She's always really been an independent pup, but that's why I love her so much. You know, she does a lot of thinking for herself, and whenever you ask her to do something, I always think her immediate question back to you is, what's in it for me? And if you can't answer that appropriately for her, she'll just disengage and she's gone. But yeah, I love her no matter what. So that's about it, I suppose. We're getting to the end of the walk here. It's just a straight walk back to the kennel from here. And yeah, I don't have a timer on here, so I'm not sure what time we're at, but I'm going to say 15 minutes. And yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed that. It's the first one that I've tried to do. And yeah, leave a message in the comments if you want to see more of this. I'd be happy to hear the feedback. Absolutely, but I'm going to leave it there. So thanks everybody for tuning in. I really appreciate that. Where's Tundra hiding? Oh, she's gone. All right, I better go catch her. But thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate that. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye now.